guys, welcome back to PJ's Place. Come on in. All right, y'all, I am back with another video. So if this is your first time visiting me here in Miss PJ's Place, welcome. My name is Pam, also known as Miss PJ, and on this channel I share primarily wig reviews or hair reviews for the mature lady. However, I am trying to venture out into some fashion content and doing some unboxing. So as you can see from the title of this video, today I am sharing with you a luxury purse unboxing as well as some of my favorite fall items for the mature lady. There's a variety of items that I am going to share with you today. Some of them are available on my website, Miss PJ's Place, and then some of them are just some things that I've picked up here and there. So today's unboxing or luxury purse unboxing is sponsored by EasyLuxury.ru. I will leave their website name on the screen somewhere, as well as, I don't know that I'll have a link directly to their website, but I'll leave the name and you can look them up. It's EasyLuxury.ru. They were so kind enough to reach out to me to request a purse unboxing, so I picked out a bag and I'm going to share it with you now. As you can see, a Saint Laurent Paris, or Saint Laurent, or it's a YSL as we often know or refer to it as that. And then when you open the box, this is what you get inside. So it does come with some information. It came with this card or this envelope. So it came with this card, and then it was packaged in this plastic to keep it protected. And it is also in its own dust bag, which I love because that helps you keep the purse nice and clean and safe from getting all scratched up when you're storing it. So it does come with a dust bag. So this is the bag that I purchased. As you can see, it does have the emblem on it. And it does have the gold tone hardware. I'm going to open or take the packaging off the straps and get it together, and I'll be okay. So here she is completely unwrapped. She does have a double strap. Well, the strap, you can double it, and as you can see, here is the gold tone emblem on the front. This is some really soft, high quality leather. The straps also have the name on the handle. It's engraved or embossed on there. I hope that you can see that. The chains are a nice weight. They don't feel too flimsy or lightweight. This is how the purse looks on the inside, and I'm going to take the stuffing out, but I just wanted you to see that. And then right there on the flap of the purse, as you can see, it does have the name there as well. So see that. So let's take the stuffing out. Okay. And so here it is on the inside with the stuffing out of it. There is a zipper on the back. Also, there is a label on the inside, right at the zipper, has the name on it as well. And let me see on the zipper, does it have... It has the name on the zipper as well. You can't see that, it's kind of small, but it does have a nice roomy size to it. I like it because I don't particularly carry purses that are too big, and you can carry this as a crossbody. So if you pull the strap here in the front, you can just wear it as a crossbody, or you can double it how it was before and carry it as a cute little handbag. I think that is so cute. It doesn't have a pocket on the bag, but it has that chevron quilted design that this particular style is very well known for. The stitching looks really good. It's impeccable. I don't see any defects or defaults. I feel like the emblem and the logo is a nice weight as well, and it's more of that muted gold tone, or kind of a it's not a too shiny gold tone. It's like the muted gold tone that you would expect from this particular style. I want to say that this one is a 30, it's a medium, or no, this may be the small for this particular style, for this brand of purse, of luxury bag. But I really do like it, and it does have the name around the grommets. So it has the grommets that the chain is running through. The name is embossed on the grommets. Here again, it is embossed on the straps. It is a really well made luxury purse. So shout out to easyluxury.ru. Again, I will leave their name. I'll put their name on the screen as well as in my description box. If I have a link to their website, I will include that, but you can look them up. It is easyluxury.ru. Shout out and thank you to them for reaching out to me to ask me to do this unboxing. So now y'all, we're gonna move on to some of my favorite fall pieces. Hey y'all. Okay y'all, so one of my first items that I want to share with you that I am really loving this fall, it is, I purchased it from Amazon, and it is one of these it is the turtleneck that I am wearing right now. This turtleneck came as a 3-piece set. Again, I got it from Amazon, and I will have the link to it down below in the description box, but it's the 3-piece turtleneck long sleeve shirt. They say that it's a mock turtleneck, but to me it's not really a mock turtleneck. It does fold down. I always think of a mock turtleneck as one that doesn't fold down, or it doesn't come all the way up to your neck. It's kind of like mid-neck, but this is a 3-piece turtleneck set. I got the one that came with the black, the natural, and the white. So as you can see, I'm wearing the black right here, and then here is the white, and it's more to me of an off-white, but this is the white, and then this is the nude or the natural. Oh, I love these turtlenecks because they are so super soft. They're not too heavy. They're very comfortable and easy to wear. And of course, in the winter or the fall season, when it starts to get cooler, I like to layer things. And then that way, if I get a little bit hot with hot flashes or whatever, the temperature changes, because sometimes you'll wake up one day and it is 40 degrees, and then the next day you wake up and it's 75. I don't know about where everybody else lives, but I know here in Memphis, the weather is a little bit unpredictable during the fall season. So I like this one because it's not too heavy of a weight, but it's just like right in between, and it is so super soft. So this one is for the 3-piece set. It was $38.98 for the set that I bought, and it is the black, white, beige. And I don't know if that's what I said, but it's the black, white, beige. It was $38.98 for 3 turtlenecks, and I really do like it. And okay, so the next items that I am really enjoying, or I find that they are going to be a staple piece for my fall wardrobe, are these earrings that I am wearing. These are not new to the scene. You probably have seen a lot of people wearing them, or seen on some other fashion influencers channels. These are some dupes of the Bottega drop earrings, and I did get these on Amazon. I got them in the large, and they are the gold tone. They also come in silver, and these were now they're $19.97, and I don't know if that's what I paid for them, but they are on sale, 14% off. They are regularly $22.99, but I got them, or they are now $19.97, and I think that's what I paid for them. But they are the large gold chunky hoop drop earrings, and they are actually, again, a dupe of the Bottega drop earrings that everybody is wearing. But I love these. They're not too heavy, and I think they give you that nice little pop of color or gold or brightness around your face, especially if you're wearing your hair kind of pulled back or up in a bun. I particularly love to wear these when I have these braids or these knotless braids up in an updo or a bun. But yes, so these are some of my favorites. I really do like them. Okay, so the next item is a pair of boots. I really like these boots. They may not be everyone's particular style or taste, but they're something that I like, and they are a platform boot. And these I did also get on Amazon. They are the chunky heel platform boots for women. I have them in a color black and in a size 8, and they were $61.99. But here they are. So let me take them out of the box. And I am going to insert a video or maybe some clips of me wearing them, but here they are. I love these boots, you guys. I love a platform heel because for me, as I age, platforms are more stable and more comfortable for me to wear, as opposed to like something that has my foot flush to the ground. These are super comfortable. They have a square toe, as you can see, and they do come right up to my knee. They are faux leather, but they're very comfortable to wear. The platform to me gives me a level of comfort that I enjoy. boy, and you can't go wrong with a black boot. A black boot is really a staple. So I thought those are really cute, and for the price, you couldn't beat them. So again, those are the chunky platform boot. I did get them from Amazon, and I will leave a link in my description box down below. Okay, y'all, so the next item, and it's a change of venue. All right, y'all, so the next item that I really that I want to share with you is this blazer that I picked up from Marshall's. This blazer is by Rachel Zoe. I have her in a size small, and this is I love the fact that she has this faux leather lapel and collar and the sleeves. So it is so cute. I could not leave it where it was when I saw it. It was very reasonable. I want to say it was probably like $24.99. She does have lining. She has 2 pockets that are functioning. I just need to cut them open. And as you can see, she is double-breasted with these beautiful gold buttons on either side as well as on the sleeves. This is some of the softest PU leather, or some of the softest faux leather that I have ever felt. But yeah, I picked this one up, and she has the split in the back, so I just need to cut that. As you can see, I haven't worn her yet, but she is so super cute. And this material that the chest or the center part of the blazer is made out of is like a stretchy material. It's very forgiving. So I just love this, and I love the detailing and how it is cut. So this is also one of my favorite pieces that I've picked up for the fall. I will leave the information down below, but here again, I picked her up at Marshall's. Okay, y'all, so the next item that I am going to share with you is this 2-piece set. This 2-piece legging set I also picked up on Amazon. I will have the information down below, but I have it in a nice chocolate brown color, and I'm pairing it with this beautiful green Kelly green duster that was available on my website, misspjsplace.com, last year. I've actually unfortunately sold out of this sweater or this duster, and then I had this cute little green purse that I picked up at Marshall's. Has a little gold chain and gold closure accents, and my jewelry is also gold. I have on those Bottega dupes that I also picked up on Amazon with this outfit. But I love this. This is a staple for me. Brown is to me like the black. It's like a neutral twin to black. I feel like you can pair brown with some nice cool or warm tones and have a really complete outfit. It is even also acceptable to pair black and brown together, and it can become a complete outfit or statement piece as well. This set was very affordable. I will tell you what the price of it was, or I'll put it on the screen, but this is how the outfit looks together. And the booties that I'm wearing are also from Amazon. They are a sweater material, very comfortable. They have a little pointy toe and a clear heel, and the heel is very comfortable. It's not too tall, so you don't have to feel like you're wearing, or you don't feel like you're wearing stilettos. Okay, y'all, so another fashion fall item that I have really been enjoying is also available on misspjsplace.com, my website, which I will leave linked below in the description box. And that actually is always linked in the description box down below, my website blog. If you're interested in going over there to purchase anything that I'm sharing with you, that's available on my website. So this item is called Tia. She is a sweater duster, and I'm wearing her kind of off the shoulder. I'm gonna back up in just a moment to let you see what she's looking like. I have her on with some jeans, but I really like this because you can wear it a lot of different ways. You can wear her with some thigh boots. I have her on with some ripped jeans, and I'm gonna put on some heels right now. I'm wearing a size medium, and I kind of have her off the shoulder, y'all. I think it's so super cute. I kind of have her off the shoulder. And this is a popular item I've seen on some other online boutique websites and on Instagram, but I do have her in my boutique, and she is the camel or natural color is what I think they called it when I picked it up from the vendor. And she has like tan and a brick red and like a pretty gold. So you can wear her with some chocolate or some camel color thigh boots. ankle boots and jeans, or the thigh boots with maybe some denim shorts or nothing, because I've even seen it styled that way. And then if you follow me on Instagram, I had it on over that Amazon outfit that I showed to you earlier, the brown two-piece knit set. So it's really, really comfortable. I love the ruffle detail on the side. Now keep in mind, if you do wear it like how I'm wearing it, I have on a strapless bustier under this because the sides are kind of low, so you can see the sides of your body if you don't wear like a long sleeve shirt, like a turtleneck or a long sleeve shirt. So anyway, I just like this. I think it's so comfortable and cute. So you can also style it like this, but it's very, very comfortable. So yeah, this is how I like to wear it. But I just love to have something that is versatile, where you can either layer it or wear it more than one way. I think that's very important. Well, for me, it is very important in my wardrobe to have pieces that are versatile and that you can style or fix up several different ways, as to having to be kind of stuck in wearing it one way. So this is one of my favorite items. But yeah, and this is Tia. She is a sweater duster, and she's available on Miss PJ's Place. Okay, y'all, so finally, this last item is also a piece that's available on Miss PJ's Place, and it's this off-the-shoulder asymmetrical cut blazer. So it's very abstract. It's a gray, like a gray houndstooth, but it folds, it flaps down, and it does button almost like a double-breasted, but it's kind of asymmetrical, and it has this cute little flap down here at the bottom. I'm wearing her with jeans. If you can't tell, I like to dress it up, kind of dress up, dress down. So I'll wear a lot of items that can be worn dressy, also with jeans. I may try to insert a piece or a picture of me with this piece with a skirt on, because you can definitely dress it up or dress it down. But she is available on Miss PJ's Place as well. But let me just back up and let you get a good look at how she's styled. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed me sharing with you some of my favorite fall fashion pieces and other items. Shout out again to EasyLuxe.ru for sending over this beautiful luxury handbag for me to unbox and review with you. I will leave their name on the screen somewhere, and if I have a link directly to their website, I will put that in the description box, as well as a link to my website blog, MissPJsPlace.com, if you're interested in taking a closer look or purchasing some of the items that I shared with you that are available for sale on my website. If you're not already subscribed, I hope that you would please consider subscribing to my channel, where I try to share information and lifestyle tips that are geared towards the woman over 50. Please follow me on Instagram at PJIam. Visit my website at MissPJsPlace.com. And until another video, y'all,